Well, the idea of the PopUp project is really that we can improve the traffic situation in future megacities. That's quite a task. We know that this is not the only solution for that, but we think it's one important solution for that, and we will see it in the next 7 to 10 years. To make this happen, there are some things really important. The one thing is that the system has to be multimodal, so it has to be able to embed itself into other existing transportation means, because we think it is very useful to use these existing transportation means because it comes also with lower costs and infrastructure needs for the cities. And also it's open for the future topics, example giving hyperloops that are going to be built up. Then to make this really happen, it's very important that the system is modular. Because only if the system is modular, in this case when it can decouple from the air module, for an example, or the ground module, it makes sure that we can always find the optimal solution. And very important that the capsula is always the same, so that the passenger and our customer, so to speak, is always in the same environment and feeling well and doesn't have to hassle with the change of the traffic system. And to make this really happen, it's also very important that we have an artificial intelligence-powered electronic backbone that makes all these changes in a feasible way happen. So we want to make sure that this is a very positive experience for the customer and not one where he has to jump from traffic system A to traffic system B, has to use a form that is really taking care of the customer. And all this has the target that the customer really can take back his time, because we think that he can use the time during commute in a better way. So forever he would like to do, might it be relaxing, learning, or being embedded into his community, but there are for sure better ways than simply be locked behind the steering wheel, and that's our target with this project. Well, we think that both companies believe really in finding the best solutions for people in future mega cities or generally in transport. So Airbus is doing this on their way, in their field, and we are doing it on our ground-bounded transportation, so trains and automobiles. So when we combine these skills into a research partnership, what it is, then we find very dedicated people on both sides. And we wanted to make sure that we take down the boundaries between these different specialities and find the best solution for future megacities. And with this idea, we came up with a concept that combines the best of both worlds. And we see also that both companies have the target to really improve the life of people in the megacities, and not just of a chosen few one, but of a lots of people, because otherwise we cannot really attack the traffic problems that are going to be there and already are there in some megacities like Sao Paulo or Mexico City or in Shanghai.